Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with another fun Cricut tutorial, so let's get started. Today we're going to create a board game pillow cover. We're going to start in Cricut Design Space. I'm using this Tiles font that I downloaded from dafont.com. I'll put the link below. This pillow cover will have all the family members' names on it, and I like to start with the name that has the most letters first. For this project, we're only going to need this font, so you don't have to download any other images. So the next name you're going to use is going to have one of the letters in common with the first name you've put. To make the text go vertically, what we're going to do is grab the text box like so, and then we're going to adjust the spacing. I use -9.9 in the line spacing to make it match as close as possible to the horizontal words. You just simply line them up and then grab all of the letters and move them so you have more space for the next name. Okay, this next name, we have a common letter E. So here I am resizing it again to make it go vertically. We're going to move it over to the end here. I'm going to use the last E in Michelle for the E in Garrett. So I'll just delete this E and then move over Garrett so that it lines up with the L. Okay, so the next name is Tristan. I'm going to go ahead and line that up with the I in Michelle. So what I need to do is delete one of the I's here. So I'm going to ungroup Tristan, and then I'm going to delete the I, and then I'll regroup the remaining letters. The last name for this project will be Gavin. I'm going to use the N in Tristan, and then I'll do the same thing where I ungroup Gavin and delete the N and then regroup. I'm going to go ahead and group them all together so I can resize and move it around as needed. And the last step is I like to weld it just so that I have one big image and I don't have to worry about anything being moved around since this is space sensitive. Now we'll just send it to the machine. Don't forget to mirror because we are going to use HTV on a plain pillow cover. And the next part of the video is just showing you the process. Okay, the HTV is loaded, it's cutting, and then here's the weeding part, which is my favorite part. I'm using HTV Ront heat transfer vinyl and it weeds very nicely. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm using an Ikea pillow cover, and so I just pre-pressed it. Okay, I'm using my HTV Ron Auto Heat Press. I'm using the temperature at 315 degrees, and the time is 15 seconds. You remove the carrier sheet, add your pillow insert, and you're done. I've made several of these pillows over the years and given them as gifts, and they're always a big hit. I hope you like this project, and if you do, be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.